In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Jira in just 5 minutes. Integrating these two powerful project management tools can help streamline your workflow and ensure that both teams stay up to date with each other's tasks and changes. This integration is particularly useful for teams that use Asana for task management and Jira for issue tracking, allowing you to synchronize tasks and issues seamlessly using third-party applications like Zapier. First, to get started, if you're looking to incorporate more advanced automation features in your task management processes, Zapier is your go-to platform. It enables you to sync Asana tasks with Jira issues effectively. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, don't worry. Simply head over to zapier.com and sign up for a free account. The setup process is straightforward, and soon you'll be ready to automate various tasks between Asana and Jira. Once you've created your account and logged into Zapier, you'll be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Here, you'll begin the creation of your automation, aptly named a Zap. To start, click on the plus sign next to Create, and then select Zaps. This is where you initiate the process of integrating programs to automate repetitive tasks across your platforms, saving you and your team valuable time. Now you'll need to define what will trigger the automation. In this case, you'll choose Asana as the trigger app. This means that an event occurring in Asana will start the automation process. Next, you'll select Jira as the action app, which is the application where the data initiated by Asana will end up. Essentially, you're telling Zapier what action to perform when a particular event happens in Asana. Moving on, you'll need to specify details about the trigger and action. For instance, you might choose New Task in Asana as your trigger event. This means every time a new task is created in Asana, the Zap will activate. Correspondingly, you'll specify Create Issue in Jira as the action. So, anytime a new task appears in Asana, an issue will automatically be created in Jira. This setup is especially useful for keeping your team members informed and aligned without manually duplicating tasks across platforms. The next critical step is to connect both your Asana and Jira accounts to Zapier. During this step, you can also set up optional filters to narrow down which tasks initiate actions in Jira. This helps in ensuring that only specific tasks trigger the process, offering you more control over the data that's being shared between these applications. Finally, don't forget to test your integration to verify that everything is working as expected. Testing ensures that your automation runs smoothly without hitches, providing peace of mind before you rely on it for daily operations. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to integrate Asana with Jira, promoting an efficient, cohesive workflow across your team.